My name is Jozef. Let me introduce you an innovative, revolutionary toothbrush. The head is rotated 45 degrees to the handle, so when you keep it straight, it maintains the right angle to the teeth. It uses horizontal movements, so the pick enters into this area. Also reaches the back of the tooth. Also other problematic area here. If you rotate again the toothbrush, using this, you can clean upper side. The bristles on our toothbrush are rubberized. That increases 50% the cleaning effect. The shape is that we doesn't produce harm to your gingiva using this horizontal movement. Also in the head we don't use metal anchors, so it's just heating technology that maintains the bristles inside. Oh, that's it. Yeah.